Hi guys, so today we're playing Don't Press the Button number 2. So Don't Press the Button number 2 is kind of difficult. Come on, I'm not very good at the game. How did I just came in the game. It was a long time I played Roblox. Long time. Uh-oh, what is that? I think we had to meteorite. Over here is safe. No? Just... Guys, if we go to the corner, it doesn't come. Careful. This meteor just pushed me. Ooh, a big bouncy vine. Why do you call that a vine? Yeah, baby, this is... I want this so I can fly. Coin shop. Meanie. Oh. Come on. So stupid. Unicorn! Yay! I fell. Those people are mean. Who's that? Thank you, because we're dancing. Yeah. Pick a color before time's up. This one. 6, 5, 4. Can this hack work? See, if it push, guys, this hack is actually work. If it push your camera, that means it's fake. So don't do it. Okay, it's fake. Coin shop. What should I buy? Buy this money bag. I should buy this. No, it's not good. I should buy this. Yeah, I can be a ninja. I can have a ninja pet. Huh? Where it is? What? How did that? Be careful of the fire and the laser drum. How did that happen? That hurted a lot because there's too much air. I want to go to that green thing. I don't have enough speed. I need 1 billion. That I'll just oof. I need a billion jump. I'll go super high and I'll oof. Because 3, 2, 1, oof. With bubble gum, actually just don't exist. Only in games. These are fake. They're telling you faked. When you see bubblegum and you're jumping high, don't believe them. They're a liar. Bam. I'm a rabbit. Or a bunny. Rabbit. I'm a... No. If we go in the middle, it will, because it's like an X. It's an X. I want this ninja flashlight. I do need it. I need the flashlight. Buy it. Yeah, 0. I'm gonna drink this, and then I'm gonna. I just started. Oh my God! Fight to death. Darn death. Sorry, my flashlight guy. Winner dinner. Bye. Red! Don't touch the red! You have a speed coil or a gravity coil in this Robux? I want this. I don't want to go over there. 4 people died. 6 people died. 6 people died. One person just left the game. It's easy. You don't have to. They don't even kill you. Look. It's just a train. You're nice. What if everybody buys that? It does nothing about my food. What? Oh my God. This guy is good. No, we don't have 5 Robux. 5 million Robux. That means I spent $5,000. Yeah, baby. Hey, why does this guy have a... Why are we getting smaller? Why does this guy doesn't get smaller? Now finally I'm a giant and I can smush you. You know that. Yes. What do you want? Oh my god, I like that guy with the big sunglasses. Everybody needs to die. Everyone. Oh my god, this is a glitch. In a couple minutes, we're gonna leave. Fire! Fire, 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 fire! Fire! I'm 1 billion miles away with the spinning dolphins. Run for your lives. Run. Okay, I'm sick. I just came in the meeting. But I'm not in school yet. What? Did you not smart? Then how did you make YouTube? Teacher. Hey teacher, can I have some vitamins because I lost this Roblox game and I'm making YouTube. Teacher, I have no school and I have to poop. Oh yeah, because I need to go to the toilet. Some people want to go heads popped. Pop. I just fell from the airplane. There's a dinosaur. Mama. I'm a little giant. Haha, now I can get my coins. Yeah, baby. Sorry. Earthquake! There's nothing gonna happen. If I die, I'm gonna end this video. Okay, bye.